So you just chant our mantra. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shuklam Brahma Vichara Sar Parama, Adyam Jagat Vyapinim, Veena Pustakada Imabhayadam Jadyandakarapam, Aste Swatika Malika Rati Padmasane Samsitam, Bande Tam Parameswarim Bhagavatim Buddhi Pradam Saradam Nachoryaryam न भातृभाज्यम न च भारकारि व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यं विद्याधनं सर्वधनं प्रधानम्. Namaskar everybody, please sit down. So today is Sunday. Sunday and Friday means in Anupam special days. Other days are also special because these are the days of students' activities. Look at. So Sunday there is theoretical presentation, Friday there is lab presentation, right? So today there are 2 students who are going to present. They have already sent the slides. Here are 9 slides, and today there is first presentation by Mr. Asai. And second presentation by Ashwin Shrestha. So let's welcome them on the stage for presentation.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to our science teacher and my dear friends. It's me, Nista Sai, from grade 10, here to present chapter 3 on EV. Introduction. Honeybee are the social insect. They tend to live in a colony. All the individuals of a colony are of the same family, often the offspring of the same mother. It means that, as you all know that, honeybee are the social insect. They are around us and they tend to live in colony. The place where they live is known as colony. All the individuals of colony are the same family, but their offspring are of the same mother. Father can be anyone, but the mother is same of all the offspring in the colony. They are always busy and work in a coordinate. The story of a honeybee is known as a militology or apiology. The bee farming is called apiculture. The beekeeper is called an apiarist, and the place where bees are kept is known as an apiary.
Next one.
Here is the external structure of a bee. You can see in the figure different part of a honeybee. Especially the body of external structure of the honeybee are divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. And other also you can see a compound eyes. In the head part there is compound eyes, antenna, simple eyes, head, and in thorax you can see in the thorax you can see pollen basket, honey, stomach, and in abdomen you can see your heart, intestine, stringer, apoptosis, etc. The head consists of a pair of compound eyes, 3 ocelli, simple eyes, a pair of antenna and sensory bristle and the mouth part. Each compound eye is made of 6,000 pack that perceives shape, color, motion and the distance. Two antennae are present on the head of the bee used to chew and suck the type. Here is the introduction of queen bee. Every beehive contains one queen. In the colony there is one queen. The size of the queen bee is comparatively large than the other bee. The queen have 32 chromosomes. They flies once in its lifetime, either for copulations or for swarming. The drone or male bee are the largest bee in the colony. They have 16 chromosomes and they form from the unfertilized egg through the parthenogenesis. The worker bee are the sterile females and their number is 20,000 to 80,000 in beehive. As you can see here, the worker bee are many more than the queen bee and the drone. They are the smallest bee having powerful wings. Worker bee is also known as busiest or hard-working bee. Classification of honeybee are kingdom is Animalia, phylum is Arthropoda, class is insect, genus is Apis bee or app. Here are some types and age and duty of honeybee. Types. First one is queen, the whole life, lay eggs throughout the life. Drone bee, whole life. Fertilize the queen bee. Worker, perform various duties. In day 1 to 3, clean the beehive, maintain eggs, larvae, etc. 4 to 6 days. Feed honey bread to mature larvae. 7 to 11 days. Develop 4 pair of wax gland. 14 to 17 days. Sting glands are developed for security. 18 to 20 days. In 7 to 11 days, develop 4 pair of wax gland. 18 to 20 days, sting gland are developed for security, and 21 days is equals death. Busy in outdoor tasks, that is collection of pollen and etc. It is the life cycle of honeybee. This is the first step: egg, larva in 10 days, pupa in 5th, pupa in 18 days, and finally adult in 21 days. Life cycle, here you can see queen bee laying egg. Here is the larva of 6th day, larva of 2nd day, and pupa forming. Here is the explanation of egg. A queen bee is only bee which lay eggs about 3,000 pin head size. White egg. The egg are white in a single day. The size range from 1 millimeter to 1.5 millimeter. It takes 3 days to hatch into larva. From egg it takes 3 days to hatch into larva. Here is the explanation of second stage of honeybee larva. The newly hatched larvae are white, microscopic and in size without leg and the eyes. The size of the larva is without leg and eyes. The larva resemble or gain for rice with a mouth and a brood living inside the brood cell. They live in a brood cell. Royal jelly is fed to the female, which is distinct to be queen bee. Rest other larvae feed. Rest larva feed bee breed, which develop into drone or worker bee. Here you can see that for special queen bee they used to feed royal jelly, and for other normal drone or worker bee they use feed bee breed pupa. In this stage, bees are beginning to develop the legs and the eyes and wings. Adult. This is the last stage of honeybee. All the three types of adult bee are fully grown now, and they are enough to fly and work and live their life as a honeybee. Swimming. It is a natural event that occurs when a honeybee colony becomes too crowded, usually in the spring or summer when there is a ample nectar. This is the natural process. I think you have also seen in village area in the summer especially. Note: foraging. Worker bee coordinate to find food and use a pattern of dancing, knowing as bee dance, to communicate information regard resources with each other. Foraging is the process of dancing to coordinate each other by regarding information, so resources to other also. And for continuing, I would like to welcome my another friend, Ashwin Shrestha. Thank you and have a good day.
Namaskar and very welcome to you all. As you all know, it's me, Ashwin Shrestha, standing in front of you to present my left portions, and my first portion is the honey making process in hive. Honey is a sweet and sucrostic. Sorry, what is this?
Sucrose sounds and sucrose was liquid produced by bees.
And sucrose sections liquid produced by bees containing fructose 38.5%, glucose 31%, water 15 to 17%, sucrose 1.3%, and maltose 7.1%, along with proteins 0.3%, amino acids 0.2%, enzymes, vitamins and minerals. Bees create honeybee by collecting nectar from flowers. Worker bees travel several kilometers, visiting thousands of flowers and using their proboscis to extract nectar. Economic importance of honeybees. Apiculture or beekeeping is the practice of scientific maintenance of honeybee colonies in hives, collection of bees products such as honey, wax, propolis, and marketing them professionally. Apiculture can be started with low investment. Even poor class or landless farmers can begin this professional to boost their sources of income. It also assists to solve unemployment problem in Nepali communities. Thus, economic importance and utilization of agriculture are honey, wax and production and uses, bee royal jelly, bee propolis, bee venom nature and uses, pollination, other value, honey bee, honey. Honey is a highly nutritious food which is used for the following purposes. Honey is fat-free, cholesterol-free, and solid-free foodstuff for making a human being. It has medical value, so it is mainly used in Ayurvedic medicine as laxative, antiseptic, and sedative. It can be used to treat mentally weakness, mental fatigue, tuberculosis, stomach disease, heart disorders, and eye disease. It contains pinosembrin, antioxidant that improves brain functioning. It also strengthens our immune system. It is useful to treat bladder infections, reduce allergy and ulcers, minimizing hair loss and maintain better blood sugar, weight loss and arthritis. Wax production and uses. Worker honeybees produce bee wax from glands on their abdomen. This wax is collected above the hive for matting its wall. Humans use honey wax for making cosmetic like creams and lipsticks, as well as for electric insulators and lithography. Bee royal jelly. It is an expensive substance secreted other by hypophagy. Sir, what is this?
Hypopharyngeal.
Hypopharyngeal salivary glands for worker bees. It contains proteins, mineral, vitamins, substances. It is available in the form of capsule, cream, soft gel, etc. In the market. It is used for following purposes. It reduces the side effect caused by the treatment of cancer. It is used primarily in the treatment of bacteria and fungal infections. Pollination.
Ask him to read and explain. That we are able to read now. Everybody together. Read.
Production by the one product
Right. Right. What it is they are going to sometimes do not say. They will read it.
Honeybee are eco-friendly pollinators. They transfer pollen between flowers, aiding in seed and fruit formation. Honeybee contribute significantly to agriculture, performing 80% to 90% of pollination and increasing crop production by up to 1/4. The value of honeybees in pollination exceeds that of honey and wax by 15 to 20 times.
These are
Bees are intelligent social insects that love colony where a good division of labor exists. After studying their hardworking nature, ethics, and lifestyle, human can be inspired a lot to implement the lifestyle of honeybees in their everyday. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day.
That answer my English. Yeah, that way you have to do. He is foolish way. Okay, did you bath or what? Huh? What happened? Why there is too much weight? What is it? Why is he laughing? Why are you laughing? Any good news? So anyway, so there were two presentations. Chapter? What is chapter? Honeybee. So now remember, how are your friends presenting? How you have to present, you be careful and understand. Only making some slides, coming, reading, going, that is useless. Now onwards, what will the students do? What is mentioned in the slide? This audience will read, and the person who is here for explanation will explain that thing. Not reading thoroughly. Explanation. You can write something also. Yes or no? Remember, right? So I had given you some questions. Have I given you? Yes or no? Now I will ask you. Take out your copy, read for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will be asked, right? And whose duty is next Sunday? Sunday presentation. Anmol and Sneha. Okay. And Friday presentation. Sonima and Sushil. Sonima and Sushil. Okay. Sorry, Sushil, you said? Anyway, what I said you do accordingly. Now read, I will ask you. You toilet, sit down.